Welcome back to another episode of Cheapskate Garage. We're real busy these days, and I'm having a hard time getting out the episodes. But we're getting back to work on the old S10. But we got a great project here. We're gonna put together my new barbecue that my father-in-law purchased for me. Can't buy one yourself, get somebody else to buy one for you, I guess. I don't know. But no, it was kind of a little present. Maybe here the next 2 episodes, you'll find out exactly why. So as you can see, I've already started unboxing the grill. It was covered in this shit, so I had to get the vacuum out. That's number 2. See, it's even all inside the box there. But that's what the model is. That's what it's going to look like when we're all done. This thing kind of has great instructions for it. I mean, sure, pictorama. 2 tools I'm going to need is a crescent hammer and a Phillips screwdriver. I think I can manage that. And step 1, unbox that. Step 2, do that. And I think I got it wrong side up. It looks like I got to flip it already. Got her flipped over, and I got my 8 and 8, that makes 16 down there. My 8 leg holes. Now I got to dig through all these parts and find my legs. Oh, there they are. Looks like I found my legs right here. 2 of them have like feet on them. And well, I don't know, maybe 2 of them have feet on them. Maybe those have feet, maybe these do too. I'm getting kind of confused here, but I think they're different. So we're gonna have to figure that out. I highly recommend, if you're gonna build a barbecue, that you gotta start with about 3 or 4 beverages of your choice. I mean, that's the only way to do it, right? There you are. So you're not gonna believe this, but I traded my old barbecue for a 6-pack. Tall boys. Most epic trade I've ever made. I got 2 legs unpacked, and there's a difference in the 2. One's got like a foot base like that, and this one's got just like a hole in for the axles. You know, I'm just saying, these things pretty well built. Some little welds in there. Or at least it seems to be so far. Nut certs, I like that. Yeah. Just to forewarn you, I've gone vegan, so this barbecue is a great investment. I'm gonna smoke my vegetables, my fruits. Started unboxing this box and forgot to show you all the little parts and stuff in it. That looks like a handle. You feel the spring on it. Another handle. You can feel that spring. There we go. I wonder what the fuck this is for. Oh, I wonder if that's the lid for the top. Does it have a? It's got a hole in it. I bet that is the lid for the chimney. We got hooks. I don't know what to do with those. Maybe hook my bananas on there or something. I don't know. Dampener. That's perfect. I don't know what that's for. We got some weird pin here. We're probably going to be losing half of these parts tonight. We got another hanger hook. We got a beer opener. That's like number 2 most importantest part. And the parts kit. Perfect. Look at this. They forgot to include 2, some in this parts box. So they put them in back there and taped them onto the packaging. That's pretty thoughtful if you ask me. Now we got 1 leg on it. Took 37 minutes to get here, but I mean the unboxing and to this far, but now Mama's got dinner ready, so I gotta go eat dinner. So I got 2 legs installed now, and I put the screws in like this, and I have a feeling the directions are gonna tell me to turn them around, because something in there will probably bottom out on those. I don't know. We're just gonna keep going until we do find out, or do know, or try something. I don't. It's a barbecue, how hard could it be? So we got step 2 of the instructions done. We're gonna go up here to step 3, and it looks like we gotta juggle 1, 2, 3 parts, and 8 nuts, 8 bolts, and 8 washers. So it kind of looks something like this. Luckily this will pin this leg up there, and if you just put 1 screw in there, it'll hold it in place. Daughter had ran out here like 30 seconds ago, and I was like, oh good, she can help me hold this stuff while I put it all together. And then she took off with my wife and they went on a walk, so a one-man show still. Alright, this step's complete. Move on to this. And I used some common sense. In all my years of fabricating stuff, these legs could have gone on vice versa, or flipped around or backwards, however you want to say it. But there's got to be a straight hole all the way through here and out the other leg over here. So that's what I did. I made it, gave it the best opportunity possible. Let's see if this axle will slide in. Doesn't look like it needs much else. It's got a couple nuts on it. Not even washers. Huh. Not trying to do 125 in the quarter mile. By golly, look at these wagon wheels. Oh, simplest wheel I ever seen. Steel, nice slicks. I'll be dipped. Just looking at some of these, you know, judging by the looks of it. I mean, down here on the wheels, they don't weld much in them foreign countries, do they? I mean, shoot. This might be like a winter of 2025 rebuild on this thing. Put a little more weld in there. I don't know. I got that step done. I don't know where that little part is, so we're gonna skip to this step. I don't even know if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it, the coal tray. The fire tray. I don't know. Hell, sounds good, right? You know what I found out today? My governor banned R134 refills, rechargers. So now I can't go and fix the AC in my Mazda. So now I gotta figure out a workaround. And all he's doing now is gonna make guys like me go fill their fucking system full of propane, liquid propane, to get it to work again. Because people like me, that's what we do. And now he's gonna have car fires all over the fucking freeways. And I don't recommend doing the liquid propane at all. Actually, I probably shouldn't have said anything. So I'm gonna try to figure out a workaround for that to get the AC working again. I might have got an idea in my head, I'm not sure yet. But you know, now all the shops, they want 200 bucks. 200 to 400 bucks to recharge an AC system. What a crock of shit. As if your carbon tax wasn't enough. So, move to Washington, it's a great state. All they're doing is we got a tyrant for a governor. That's what we got. So if you like Jay Inslee and you voted for him, thanks. Really doing me a fucking favor. Tell you what, God, I got one bolt fighting me. It's all cross-threaded and shit. I'm parched, and I don't know what the hell this song is on the radio. It's kind of annoying me. I'm gonna have to skip that. I was afraid to use the inch duggas on those screws because they are from overseas and they're kind of probably cheap. I did strip it out, but I got it in there. Oh, and if you're wondering, these are replacement batteries you can get off Amazon. I think you can get 2 for like 40 bucks. They work. It's doing the job. So we backed up and we got this step done. Put it there, like it says in the picture. I mean, hell, these directions are pretty easy to read. I mean, they're pictures. You can't get much better than that. I gotta admit, I always liked the picture books when I was a kid. Like, where's Waldo? Where's the 10 millimeter? Oh crap, all my nuts fell down here. This could have been bad. Got too much shit everywhere. Are you guys having fun yet watching this dumb shit? Hopefully it's entertaining. I learned that the best way to get a barbecue is to buy the display model. Alright, we got the exhaust stack on. You know, right there. That could be tightened up a little bit. Shit. Surprised the government ain't expecting us to put catalytic converters on these sumbitches. In hell. Outlaw R134 refills. Might as well put a catalytic converter on that. Makes sense, right? Shit. But I think I got something trick that I'm going to do with this, just to modify it a little bit. Make it more the cheapskate style. We'll think about it. Well, as night's falling down, here's a little update. We got this part on there. That wasn't too bad. It's actually pretty nice. I mean, check it out. I mean, you can't want. It's kind of a bear to do one-handed. So, but if you got two, you can do it no problem. So we got to do the rest of this. I don't know what else is up in here except for maybe the grates that go in there. Yeah, we're getting about 3/4 done with her. Well, there she is. 3 hours later, she's all assembled. I mean, I'm really excited about reading the temp gauge upside down. So we're gonna have to find like a shim or something that we can put. Let's see if I can get this in the camera shot here. There's a little gap under there where it threads in. Find a couple little shims, maybe a washer or 3. If we get it shimmed just right, it'll lock that gauge in place where it'll be right side up. That'll be ideal. But we're gonna roll it inside in the garage for the night, and we're gonna shut it down. We're gonna go to bed because I gotta be up at 4 in the morning to go to work. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking the like button, a few of you that do. And thanks for subscribing, I appreciate it. Stay tuned because things are about to change big for me and this little channel and everything that we do. So we'll catch you later. So it's the next day and I'm out here getting the grill running. I figured I'd give you guys a little sample of what it looks like. Here we got the charcoal running in there, and I think I'm doing this right. I really don't know. At this point, it's all experimental. I don't know. My father-in-law who bought me the grill's coming up here next week. And he's going to teach me how to do a brisket. So maybe I'll have to do an update on that and see how it turns out. I'm sure it's going to be killer. But yeah. And then there was fire. Look at this. Look at that. Smells good too. Smells better than it looks, I tell you what. Shit, that's a first. And there's the final product, what we got off our new grill. Corn even. It cooked the corn and it cooked the bread too. Say yum.
Yum.
Yep, that's my plate for tonight. And I guarantee it'll make a turd. So thanks for liking, thanks for watching, and hey, click that subscribe video because we're going to do a damn good brisket here on this, and you guys need to learn some tips and tricks from a Vietnam vet. So thanks for watching. Have a good night.